Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mama Beach and I'm here today to do an unboxing of some really exciting stuff from the Coach outlet. I have purchased their new Horse and Carriage print, which just came out, and this print came out in the retail stores first and people went gaga for it. It's a really nice looking print, and almost immediately it started popping up at the outlets and everybody was really puzzled, thinking why did they send this retail product already to the outlet? It turns out it's a made for outlet version that's almost identical. So of course I went for it from the outlet because it looks almost exactly the same and it is a fraction of the cost. And I purchased one piece of each color so I can show you guys what these different colors look like, and also just decide for myself which of the different colors I like best. And I ordered a different piece in each color. So let's get started here. The first thing right on top is this little pouch, and I'll try to tell you the names of these things if they have them on. Your Horse and Carriage print corner zip pouch, okay? And if I find my receipt, I'll try to remember to give you guys prices at the end. I always say I'm gonna do that and I forget. So this is just a cute little corner zip pouch. It has a wristlet strap on it, which is actually the zipper pull. The zipper is decent. It's a little hard around the corner, but you know, we're talking outlet product here, not retail. And then inside is a yellow fabric with a couple of card slots, which is really cute. I'm measuring it up here. I don't think my plus size smartphone would fit in here, so I don't think I would use it as like, you know, put a couple cards in my phone in here and you could carry it as like a little clutch. But I think it would be cute in another bag, like as kind of a catch-all or something like that. But I really just wanted to see this print in the yellow to see if I liked it and maybe wanted to invest in a larger piece from this printed canvas line. You can hear it's canvas, it's textured, and it just has the all over Horse and Carriage print, which is seriously, it's the same as the retail product. Somebody in one of my Coach Facebook groups went and actually purchased one piece from the outlet and one piece from retail and did a side-by-side comparison. I think it was that one of them was a little more bumpy than the other. One of them, the contrast, this was more contrasty than the retail product, which is a little more subtle. And this was a little softer, whereas the retail product was a little stiffer. But other than that, they look pretty much the same. So yeah, I'm gonna go with outlet, thank you. All right, this is the some sort of pouch. The name is so, they've eliminated all the vowels, so I can't remember what it was called. But it's a larger size pouch, and this is in the beautiful red color. So let's see, this is the other cool thing about this collection. They have all these nylon zipper pulls on in some of the pieces, and I thought that was really neat. Kind of a little bit more modern. We're seeing a lot of nylon and canvas straps on bags right now. So it kind of gives it a little more casual vibe, gives it a little more interest. And then you have this exaggerated kind of wristlet strap, which I don't know that I would actually ever use this as a wristlet, but I guess you could. I can't even get it on here, my goodness. They really made this strap tight for having to put, there we go. So you could have, you know, a large size wristlet. Let's see if there's anything on the interior of note. No, just 2 card slots again, a fabric interior, and a front pocket here, which is nice. So, I mean, I guess you could carry this as some sort of clutch or wristlet. Once again, I think it'd be cute in like a tote bag as something to carry other items. And then this one has this additional graphic on it, which a lot of the others from this collection have, which is the kind of Horse and Carriage in motion here. Nothing on the back, just the print. Let me show you a close-up of the print. Really cute stuff. I mean, I'm gonna hand it to them. Outlet or retail, this stuff is good looking. All right, let's see. The other 2 items are a little bit larger. So this is a crossbody, and it has a nylon strap on it. And this is in the teal color, which I thought I would like the best because obviously I'm obsessed with turquoise. So you can see it's extremely similar to this Sadie bag that I just got from Macy's, from their limited edition, you know, Sparkle Rainbow Rexy collection. It's almost the exact same size. exact same setup. The difference is this one has this super cool rainbow strap on it that you can also use as a belt bag. And this one has a thinner plain nylon strap on it, or I should say cotton strap. It's a cotton webbed strap. It's not nylon. So I don't know, not as crazy about it. I'm really into the rainbow strap, let me tell you. But let me see if these zipper pulls are the same. Yeah, they are. So these have the cool kind of corded zipper pulls that they have in the other one. And then this has this kind of traffic sign motif on it with the Coach logo in it, which I thought was kind of cute. So they have some other graphic details on top of the print and some of the other larger pieces like the tote bags and the backpacks. So if you're into this graphic thing, I would definitely check out some of the larger pieces from this collection. Let me show you an up close of the canvas here in this particular color. And let's check out the interior and see if there's anything special in here. Just fabric again, 2 card slots again. That's it. Nothing else that special on the interior, just matches the exterior color. So last but not least, we have purple. And this is, I believe, the cosmetic pouch, which I was kind of on the fence about. I liked the way it looked on the website. I just wasn't sure if I would actually use it. So here it is. This is the purple color. They have like a little wristlet strap again on this one, like the yellow. You can see this one has a little more contrast than some of the other ones, which I like. And it is a really nice purple color. No additional graphics on this one. It's just the canvas. And let's see if there's anything on the interior here. What is this? Oh, I see it's from the back side. Nope, nothing. It's just plain on the interior, plain purple fabric that matches the exterior. Nice zipper though. This zipper works much better than the other one, and it's a plastic zipper. So that's all 4 colors from this collection. Like I said, if you get up into some of the larger pieces, you can get some additional graphics on top of the canvas graphic, which is interesting. So let's see, what did I pay for this stuff? Found my receipt. The purple lavender is what they're calling it. And this is the cosmetic case, and that was $45, okay? Let's see, this, the teal, what do they call it? Oh boy, I'm gonna butcher this. Viridian was $68.40. This red, which they are just calling bright red, was $59.40. And then this cute little yellow corner zip pouch was just $26.40. So I think it's pretty reasonably priced for what it is. I mean, it is canvas. There are some leather accents on it, but most of the zippers are plastic, and it doesn't have a lot of high quality materials in it. That being said, to get a piece that looks a lot like what they're selling at the retail stores for a heck of a lot more is pretty awesome. So if you're into this print like I am, I would definitely go to your local outlet or shop the outlet online. And I will put the outlet website down below. You have to sign up to be invited to shop. And then once you get an email that you're invited, you can click on that and sign in, and you can shop all of their real outlet products from Coach online. You don't have to go to a store, which is awesome. And yeah, I would go pick this up before they sell out of it, because something tells me because of how popular it is at the retail store, it's also going to sell out at the outlet. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching today. Let me know down below what your favorite color is, or if you think you liked one of these pieces a lot in terms of like the function and the design, but you would get it in a different color, just because I'm interested to see what everyone's favorite is. And I don't know which of these items I'm going to keep. I definitely want to pick at least 2 to use for myself. I think they're really cute functional pieces, but I don't know, I really like the red, but I also really like the purple and the teal, so I don't know, a lot of good choices here. If you have not subscribed, I hope that you will, and you'll join me for future videos. I cover all different handbag brands, not just Coach, so you can see a lot of different brands appear on my shelves. And if you love handbags and accessories, I know you'll love my channel. All right, guys, I'll see you on my next one. Bye.